Hey, I want to share with you today my top three favorite features of this Conair hair clippers. First, I really like the fact when I would go to the barber and they would use the hair clippers on me, for some strange reason, it would always snag and pull on my hair, and that would really hurt. So I've used these for many years. Never once has it snagged or pulled my hair. My second favorite feature of this is its durability. I've had these for many years, and with little to no maintenance, they have really held up well and still function just as good now as they have when I first bought them. The third thing that I really like about this is, along with the clippers, is all the different accessories that it comes with. Well, those are my top three things. I do want to share with you a couple additional things that I really like. I really do like the shape of this. Feels really good in your hand, whether you're using it this way or if you're going to be using it in this fashion, the thumb fits in there real good as well. Another nice feature is the 4 different blade height levels that it has. Simple lever here that you can click, get those different levels if you want it up close, or you can pull it far away. And as you can see there, get a nice close shave in. So there you go. If you're looking for a pair of clippers for at home, highly recommend this Conair hair clippers.